Sometimes Lady Death is in the room. This lady got pink from all the blood I gave her. And then I had to tell the family that I can't give this pour blood into her. It's coming out too fast. Already 2 liters of blood was collected through the OG tube after I intubated her. I'd put her on Precedex, and I was giving pushes of fentanyl and Dilaudid, so she wouldn't feel any pain or struggle, so she could tolerate the OG tube and the ET tube. The Precedex didn't knock her out, but she was aware. I told the husband and her sons to hold her hand. She was dying. I'd already spoken to the husband on the outside. I think she's gonna die. I don't think she's gonna be stable enough. Her BP dropped down to 57 systolic. She's gonna be stable enough to be on a helicopter, and she's gonna die on the helicopter. There was no beds in the ICU. My ICU didn't have GI. She was dying. I told the family this, and I told her this, and I told them to talk to her and say I love you and all the things. And she soon passed in an hour when the blood products stopped going in, and she passed. 5.9 liters suction out of her. Be